Hey guys, our friends there from Lenovo sent us a laptop to just unbox and have a look at it and to show you guys what you get in the box. This is an unboxing for somebody who's still buying this kind of a machine or this model of machine. So this is the Lenovo V15. If you have a look there on the specs, this is a machine with 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of SSD. Already installed, 15-inch screen and Windows 11 Pro. The Lenovo V15 is a bit of a stronger build than the normal Lenovo 15, and we prefer these machines above those. So let's get this out of the box and show you what you get. Right, so when you open up the box, you can see it's packaged with very sturdy foam. In this little corner, you get your power supply. This power supply is a Lenovo power supply, and it is 65 watts. And it's got a very little or small little charging connector, round connector with no pin in the middle. So the pin will be on the laptop side, and it's a L shape, so it won't be in your way plugging straight into the machine. Right, so on the side of the charger there's also nice Lenovo branding, so you know which adapter is your laptop's. Let's put that on the side there. Right, let's get the machine out of the box. So what you get is some booklets, V14 for the 14-inch and V15 for the 15-inch. This is the second gen machines I see, and this one is an 11th gen. As you can see here, this is an i5 11th gen CPU. Alright, so let's get this out of the packaging. The machine is not heavy at all. Right, so there's the machine itself, the laptop. See, it's got Lenovo branding here, and on this side of the machine you've got a LAN port, which is scarce these days, but there is the LAN port, USB 2 I believe, and on the other side of the machine there is a USB 3 adapter, Type C, HDMI, your headset plug or jack port, and there's the charging port for the machine with a little light that'll indicate if the machine is charging or if it has power or not. At the back of the machine there is nothing. The cooling vents are at the bottom, and the sound will be coming from the speakers on the side of the machine. The whole machine is if you have a close look, it's a rough finish, so it's not a smooth kind of a finish on this. And on the front side of the machine there, it's just a flat surface. So let's quickly have a look how it looks on the inside. You'll see the Lenovo branding on this machine also. They do it on all the machines now. When you open up the machine, it just continues on the inside. It's got a nice keyboard or screen protection here. It's showing a few options and whatever of the keys. Just for an example, this is function and O, and it switches the computer's working mode, so you can change it to say high performance mode and stuff like that. Then yeah, it says here that the screen has got eye protection. There you can see there's a little sticker over the camera. So it's got a webcam, and it's got a little privacy slider here, so you can slide this back and forth just to open and close the camera. And the keyboard on this machine is a full keyboard. This machine comes with a button on the side, the power button. Then it's got the numpad on this side and a full keyboard, which is not loud at all. This keyboard's very, very soft to type on. Wow. So yeah, I believe it will be very nice for your hands. A nice mouse pad also. This generation of Lenovo looks really good, and hopefully they did a nice chassis and quality upgrade on this generation. Over here you can see that it's Core i5. The whole thing is a matte design. The caps lock has got a little light there, so you will definitely know when caps lock is activated. Also num lock, it's got a little light in the corner, so you will be notified when num lock is on or not. Let's quickly switch the machine on and see how it looks. I'm quickly going to connect the power adapter for this machine to just give it a bit of a charge so we can switch it on. The charging cable is extremely long. It is almost 2 meters long. Alright, so when you plug in the charger on the side, you will see a little light illuminates. So there you can see it's charging, little orange light or red light. So the machine is now charging. Just push the power button there. Nice Lenovo branding again, and you can see it's Windows 11 because of the different little circle that's running there. Right, so on the keyboard, when you press the num lock, you can see it illuminates this little light, and you've got a clear notification, or it shows you quite nicely that the num lock or the caps lock is actually on or not. Alright, so the display looks also very good. A nice and clear display there. And yeah, the sound is also actually not bad. Alright, so though it looks like this is or it seems like it's a fingerprint scanner, it is not at all. If you go into the Windows options and you go to settings, you see there it says we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner. So that little button is definitely not, even though it looks like it, not a fingerprint scanner. Let's quickly have a listen to the sound. I'll just put the mic right here on the keyboard. Right, so yes, not bassy at all, but very clear sound. So you'll definitely be able to hear quite nicely. Alright, so let's just turn up the volume and you can hear. Mesh routers or mesh system. This is the AX1800. You can set it up in quite a few ways. On the side of the box, so yeah, as you can hear, sound quality is not bad. And yeah, so that's definitely upgrade on this model. Yeah, so not bad at all. The sound quality on this laptop is definitely better from the previous versions, and yeah, quite a fast machine. Nice little machine here. Alright, so that is the Lenovo V15 11th gen unboxed. Hopefully this just shows you the build quality, the design, and whatever you wanted or needed to know about the Lenovo V15 11th gen. Thanks for watching.